Welcome to another episode of It Tastes Right at Home. Today, I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite dump desserts. This is one that is so easy. It's perfect for barbecues, last minutes, birthdays, family gatherings, all of the things. It just takes 4 ingredients to make this. We're going to make brownie batter dip today. Let's get started. This is one of those recipes that can actually be made sugar-free, but since I'm serving it up to my office today, we're doing full sugar. We're gonna start with 1 softened block of cream cheese. So now I'm going to take my hand mixer. Now I'm gonna take my hand mixer and I'm gonna just mix up this cream cheese to where it's a little bit softer and fluffier. Next, we're gonna add 1 full tub of whipped. Where are my words today? Whipped topping? Whipped cream. Now we're gonna add 1 full tub of whipped cream into our Now we're going to add 1 tub of whipped cream into our cream cheese here. And again, this can be substituted for sugar-free whipped cream as well. Once we have that, we're going to just blend it up here. It'll look a little something like this, but don't you worry, it's coming all together here. So next we're gonna add 1 full box of brownie batter mix. Be any brownie batter mix that you want, you're just gonna add it straight into the bowl. Down the middle it is. And just again, we're gonna mix that up. It up just a little bit, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Look how smooth it is. So the last thing that you need to add is mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now it's very important that it's mini since it's a dip to make sure that these don't overpower the dip itself. Now remember, the brownie mix and the chocolate chips can be made sugar-free to keep this a sugar-free recipe. I'm going to save just a few to top it off for decoration later. So after that, we're just going to blend it all up. After that, you can move it into a storage safe container and keep it in the fridge for when you're ready. What I would suggest is it's going to be its peak best flavor after 24 hours in the fridge. But then you have to eat it up pretty quick so it doesn't go bad. Once you serve it up, you can use animal crackers, pretzels, graham crackers, whatever you want, vanilla wafers to dip in here, and you have the perfect little dessert.